honor to be today's host for today's event. A very warm welcome to all of you at the inauguration of OMRON Automation Center in Bengaluru. So our automation center has been designed to provide the state-of-art experience for the customers and to showcase how OMRON has geared up to solve the real-world shop floor challenges and to ultimately shaping up the future of manufacturing with the innovation and automation, also the collaboration of customers.
The business domain is this production site, floor shop site, that is 10 meters or less. So please understand our IAB's strong point and experience to automate the shop floor. So that's our strong point. So let me explain about this background.
Manufacturing setup, and also what is the key role that this automation center will play in that journey. Okay. So of course our vision is, as I mentioned, similar to the OMRON vision, is to contribute to the Indian manufacturing setup, to be able to produce world-class products in India so that they can compete with the best of the best in the world. So we really want to take Make in India a global brand, and I believe that we have a role to play in doing so. And before I move on to more details, I would like to touch base about our presence in India. So as a company, we were established in 1996. So next year we will be actually celebrating 3 decades of our journey in India. And in these 3 decades, we have achieved many strengths. And today we are more than 300 of us working for the automation business in India. We have a large warehouse in Bangalore where we stock some of our most used products. We have over 100 strong application engineers who help build customer solutions. We have 2 repair centers, 3 training centers, because skill up is very important. We are present in 6 cities by our own offices and 7 remote locations. So practically we are very close to customers and we are present in all locations of India. We have an automation center, which is this automation center where we are all present here. And as a part of this automation center, we also have an AOI POC lab, which is for optical inspection of smart of PCBs. And then we also have a 100+ strong channel partner network, who are our extended arms and legs to be able to reach to our customers in every corner.
So first of all, the purpose of the smart manufacturing, of course, so to automate human work. So however, I think human work will be remaining in the manufacturing field. For example, very complicated work and complicated process. So regarding this work will be remaining in the manufacturing field. Therefore, the first purpose to automate the simple work of the workers' process. So that's the first. Also, so our solution of the data solution, as I mentioned in my presentation, so that is a connect and linkage between top management challenges and the manufacturing field. Currently, this connection is disconnect between this IT side and OT side. As I mentioned, the background of this, so current OT side is like legacy equipment mainly. It's very difficult to realize brand new equipment that can be connected to the IT side.
But actually, you're right. I think it's very important that the engineers who are coming out of the college are trained for the real world. So, and that's where industry and like us has to play a key role. So we are very aware of this. So hence we have already started to work with some of the colleges to help them set up laboratories which will help the students really experience the real world. Of course, they are not as extensive as an automation center here, but they get to play with real automation products from OMRON. They get to build solutions using this real automation products from OMRON. And so when they pass out of the college after 4 years of program, they would be very well aware of the OMRON products and have hands-on experience on these automation products. So they would be industry ready. But yeah, that's something that we are already working on, and we would like to continue to expand on that.
Did it in Japan and China and Netherlands. Yeah. So that's the current status. So, but so we have to consider how to expand this R&D center in globally. But currently, these 3 areas mainly. Also, US we have total four areas. Also, right now we are, so in my presentation, currently we have collaborated with Cognizant regarding a data solution for the market. And also currently we have collaborated with Cognizant regarding R&D point of view. Right now we have co-developed with Cognizant R&D center in India. So that is out of the OMRON, but
my name is Motohiro Yamanishi, in charge of president of automation company in OMRON. Today I'm very, very excited to open this automation center in Bengaluru. So you know this Bengaluru is one of the key elements of our business. Since currently we have a business channel in this area, like China Plus One investment and so on. So therefore we will contribute and catch up this opportunity and trend. So also we have many automation centers in globally. Then we have many solutions and strong product for global customers in manufacturing. Therefore, this solution bring into this India to meet this Indian customer specific requirement. Then to contribute for Indian manufacturing. So again, I'm very excited to open this automation center in Bengaluru. Thank you very much.
My name is Samir Gandhi, and I'm the Managing Director for OMRON Automation in India. So today is a very momentous day for us because we are able to open the automation center, this particular automation center here in Bangalore. And this automation center will really help us in furthering the contribution of automation to manufacturing growth in India. So our goal remains very, very clear. We would like the manufacturing sector in India to produce world-class products. So we would like to help them produce world-class products so that they can compete with the best in the world. And by doing so, we firmly believe that we should be able to achieve the goal of increasing the manufacturing sector's contribution to Indian GDP from the current numbers of about 13-14% to about 23% going forward by the end of 2 decades. This is not going to be an easy task. I think everybody's efforts are required, and as OMRON, we are very, very committed to this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I didn't mention 1,000 engineering students. I mentioned 1,000 engineers. Okay, which includes, no, that's okay. That includes, of course, our engineers from industry, our partners, and also academia. And of course, we are always looking for the bright and the best.
Sir.
President of automation company in OMRON. Today I'm very, very excited to open this automation center in Bengaluru. So this Bengaluru is one of the key element of our business. Since currently we have a business chance in this area, like China Plus One investment and so on. So therefore we will contribute and catch up this opportunity and trend. So also we have many automation center in globally. Then we have many solution and strong product for global customers in manufacturing side. Therefore, this solution bring into this India to meet to this Indian customer specific requirement. Them to contribute for Indian manufacturing. So again, I'm very excited to open this automation center in Bengaluru. Thank you very much.
Thank you.